It's Referral here, and in this video, I'll be talking about the 7 crypto apps I can't live without and why they've become an essential part of my daily workflow. Now, over the last 5 to 6 years, I've used so many crypto apps. I've also tried to install and uninstall multiple crypto apps on my phones, but there are some crypto apps that I've never tried to uninstall them, and that's because I can't live without them. And I'm glad that I'm getting to share some of these crypto apps with you in this video. So if you're serious about crypto, whether you're trading crypto or investing in crypto, I think these 7 apps will be very useful to you. So let's go straight to the 7 crypto apps I can't live without. Now, the first one is TradingView. Now, for me, TradingView is the best app or website that you can use for your chart analysis. And honestly, I don't place a single trade without checking it first, and here's why. Now, firstly, on TradingView, you get to see real-time charts with hundreds of indicators that you can use, like RSI, MACD, MA, Fibonacci retracement, and many more. There are hundreds of indicators that you can use on the TradingView app. Now, secondly, you can customize your chart layout anyhow you want. You can decide to have like 2 or more charts on the screen at the same time, and this is so useful for me because I use it a lot. Now, the third thing on TradingView is that you can set price alert in a very easy manner and with different options, and also it supports multi-time frame analysis. So this means that, let's say you want to see a trading pair in different time frames and you want to do your analysis at the same time with these different time frames, you can do that on TradingView. And this is something that is important, especially if you're a kind of trader that you move between short-term and long-term time frames at the same time. Now, another thing I love about the TradingView app is that the mobile app syncs perfectly with the desktop version. This means that, for example, if you are doing your analysis on the mobile app, maybe on your phone, and you already have some drawings on the chart, you can go directly to your laptop and continue your analysis right there without having to do the drawings on the chart again. So I can easily switch between devices while maintaining my analysis, and I really love that. And if you are wondering about the pricing or maybe the subscription on TradingView, maybe you think that the subscription amount is too much for you, they offer a free plan where you don't have to pay anything and you can still use almost all the features on the TradingView app. At least for me, I only started paying for the TradingView subscription about 2 years ago, and I've really enjoyed the benefit of using a paid account, but I was still okay when I was using a free one. So you don't have to pay when you start using the TradingView app. And in case you want to create an account on the TradingView app, I have a referral link in the description of this video. Just click the link and go ahead and create an account for yourself. Also, I have a TradingView tutorial coming up very soon. So if you don't want to miss that video, please do these 3 things. First, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and please turn on the notification bell on the channel. Thank you. Now, the second crypto app I can't live without is Bybit. Now, as at the time of making this video, Bybit is my favorite crypto exchange out there when it comes to trading speed, trading features, the interface, the low fees, and so many things. Now, Bybit has improved in so many ways over the last few years, and because of how good they are now arguably the best crypto exchange app in the world right now. Now, on the Bybit app, you can make money with different methods. You can make money with futures trading, spot trading, trading boards, copy trading, and many more. But the Bybit app is not for traders alone. It also offers staking and saving products. That's if you're into passive income. So you can participate in something like Launchpad event for new tokens, and you can get access to various DeFi products on the app. Now, another thing I love about the Bybit app is how they are constantly adding new features and they are improving the user experience. And in case you are new to Bybit, or maybe you just created a Bybit account, I have a playlist that contains various Bybit tutorials that will be useful to you. The link to that playlist will be in the description below. And in case you don't have a Bybit account, you can also use my referral link in the description below to create an account on the Bybit app. Now, the third crypto app I can't live without is CoinMarketCap. Now, if you're into crypto research and keeping up with the crypto market news, then CoinMarketCap is the one app for you. Now, I use the CoinMarketCap for different things. I use it for tracking token prices, volume, market cap. I also use it for checking the rankings of different coins and checking the supply. I also use it for checking the market data and statistics. I use it for checking historical price data and market analysis. I also use it for checking new coin listings and market trends and many more. There are different things you can check about any coin on the CoinMarketCap. There are so many things you can use the app to do. And before I invest invest in any token or any coin at all, I always go to the coin market app first and I check for all of these things I've mentioned earlier, and I use the data I get from CoinMarketCap to make my decision. Now, another feature I love on the app is the cryptocurrency converter. Now, this allows you to quickly calculate the value of any coin in different cryptocurrencies, and this can be useful to you if you need to know the value of a coin in any currency. And there's also the news section on the app that keeps you updated with the latest development in the crypto world. Now, my best part of this app is the end section. Now, right here on this part, you get to see updates on different exchange listings, and you see launch pools that are happening on different exchanges. Now, with this feature on the CoinMarketCap app, you can know ahead of time whenever a coin will be listed on any exchange. Now, the fourth crypto app I can't live without is Dex Screener. Now, Dex Screener is an invaluable tool for anyone who trades on decentralized exchanges. Now, it's essentially a real-time analytics platform for DEX trading pairs across multiple blockchains. Now, on the Dex Screener app, you get to see real-time prices and trading data of new coins and even trading coins. And you also get to see liquidity information, trading volume, market cap, and so on of any token pair. Now, the platform also shows you the different decentralized exchanges where a token is trading, so that I can know where you can buy any new coin that you are looking to buy. And what makes Dex Screener particularly useful for me is the ability to track new coins as soon as they are created. And this feature is important for me because you get to see early opportunities and get to avoid scams in the crypto market. And one thing about the Dex Screener app is that the interface of the app is also clean and straightforward, especially if you are a beginner and maybe you are new to the app. You can see exactly what you are looking for about any coin on the app. Now, before I go on with this video, if you are looking for a very good crypto exchange to make money as a beginner with crypto, then you should definitely check out the Phemex app. Now, on the Phemex app, there are different ways you can make money with crypto. You can make money with crypto via futures trading, spot trading, trading boards, copy trading, crypto savings, launch pool, and so many ways. Now, I've been using this app for some time now, and it's really simple and easy to use, especially for beginners. So I would advise that you check the link in the description below to create an account on Phemex and start trading and making money with crypto. Now, let's get back into the video. Now, the fifth crypto app I can't live without is the Tangem app. Now, I'm sure this will be new to a lot of you watching this right now. And in case you don't know, Tangem is a unique hardware wallet if you want to store your crypto in a more secured manner and in an easy way. And it's essentially a smart card like this one I'm holding right here that acts as a cold storage wallet for your cryptocurrencies. So, for example, this is my Tangem card right here, and I have my crypto stored in this wallet. Now, with this, I have full control of my crypto. Now, what do I mean when I say I have full control of my crypto with this card? Now, I'm sure you know that storing your crypto on an exchange gives you little control over your funds. Now, this means that if the exchange is hacked, you are putting yourself at a big risk of losing all your crypto. But if you store your crypto in a cold wallet like this one, only you have the access to that wallet. And right here is an example of a cold wallet that is made by Tangem. And they also have an app that you can use to do any transaction that you want to do with your crypto. So the app works seamlessly with the card, allowing you to manage your crypto assets anywhere in the world. Also, the interface of the app is incredibly user-friendly and is perfect for both beginners and even experienced users in the crypto world. And there are different companies out there that create and sell physical cold wallets, but this one from Tangem is the one I love the most. And in case you are wondering what will happen if I lose this card, nothing will happen because I have 2 extra cards. So if I lose this card or I misplace it, I still have 2 more cards that I can use. And if I lose those 2 cards, I still have access to my crypto through the key phrases that you get when you first set up the card on the app. So you can see that this is the best way to store your crypto. Only you have the access to your crypto. And setting up the Tangem card on your phone is really simple. Unlike some other hardware wallets that have complex setups, Tangem card works straight out of the box. All you have to do is to just bring out this card and then just place it on your phone and you are good to go. So in case you want to get a Tangem card, I have a referral link in the description of this video. So just check it out using the link to get yourself a Tangem card, and you also get a discount. So make sure you check the link in the description below. Now, the sixth app I can't live without is the Notion app. Now, this one might surprise you because Notion is not a crypto app, but is absolutely essential for how I organize my entire crypto life. Now, here are some of the things I use the Notion app for. Now, firstly, I use the Notion app for keeping a trading journal. I record all my trades on the Notion app. app. Now, secondly, I use it to track my crypto portfolio across different wallets and exchanges, and I also use it to store different research on upcoming projects and different cryptocurrencies. Now, the Notion app is like my second brain for everything crypto related, and once you start using the Notion app this way, trust me, you won't go back. And I love the fact that I can record all my trades and track all my trades easily on the app, and for this it is really useful for me. And in case you don't have a Notion account, you can also use my referral link in the description below to create an account on Notion. Now, the seventh app I can't live without is not an app, but is a website, and it is called winrate.io. Now, winrate.io is a website that allows you to calculate and see the outcome of your trading strategy even before you start trading. Now, on this website, all you just need to enter is your trading capital, your win rate, your take profit, and your stop loss, the number of trades you want to take, your leverage, and then once you've done all of these things, it shows you how much profit you will make if your strategy or your plan works out. Now, I've been using this website for over 2 years now, and I really love the website. I think you should try it out because you would definitely love it. So there you have it. These are the 7 crypto apps that I can't live without. From TradingView for technical analysis to Tangem app for secure crypto storage, each app serves a specific purpose in my crypto portfolio. Now, what makes this app special for me is not just about the individual features, but how they work together to create a comprehensive system for trading, investing, and managing my crypto. Now, there are many other crypto apps out there that are very good, but these are the ones that I've found to be absolutely essential in my daily crypto activities. So whether you're a beginner in crypto or maybe you're an experienced crypto trader, I believe that these 7 crypto apps can add significant value to your crypto journey. Now, before I go, I want to know what are the crypto apps that you can't live without. Please share them in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more crypto content. And again, check the description of this video for the links to all of the apps I've mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.